Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are turning Linux into a full Android-powered machine using Waydroid. If you ever wanted to run Android apps and games directly on Ubuntu or Linux with smooth performance, this guide is for you. Everything is completely free and open source. You can also find the official Waydroid GitHub link in the description below. Now let's begin. Step 1. Update the system. First, open your terminal. Now update your Linux system using this command: sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade-y. This ensures your system is fully updated before installation. Wait until everything finishes successfully. Step 2. Install required packages. Next, install the required packages. Run this command: sudo apt install curl ca certificates webget lxc adb weston-y. These tools help Waydroid work correctly on Linux. Curl downloads repository scripts. LXC provides container support. ADB gives Android debugging support. Weston helps users running X11 sessions. Wait for installation to finish. Step 3. Add the Waydroid repository. Now we add the official Waydroid repository. Run this command: curl https://repo.waydroid.id/bash/bash. This automatically configures the repository for your Linux system. Wait until setup completes. Step 4. Install Waydroid. Now install Waydroid. Run this command: sudo apt install waydroid-y. This installs the Android container system on Linux. Wait until installation finishes completely. Step 5. Initialize Waydroid. Now initialize Waydroid. Run this command: sudo waydroid init. This downloads Android system images required to boot Android on Linux. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few minutes. Do not close the terminal while it downloads. Wait until the initialization process finishes. Step 6. Start the Waydroid container. Now start the Waydroid container service. Run this command: sudo systemcontrol enable-now waydroid container. Next, verify that everything is running correctly. Sudo systemcontrol status waydroid container. If you see active running on the screen, Waydroid is working correctly. Step 7. Check session type. Now check whether your Linux desktop uses Wayland or X11. Run this command: echo/xdg/session/type. If the result says Wayland, continue normally. If it says X11, follow the Western method shown next. Step 8a. Run Waydroid on Wayland. For Wayland users, start the Waydroid session using this command: Waydroid session start. Now launch Android. Waydroid show full UI. Android should now open successfully on Linux. Step 8b. Run Waydroid on X11 using Weston. For X11 users, install Weston if needed. Sudo apt install weston-y. Now start Weston. Weston-x Wayland. A new desktop window will appear. Keep this window open. Inside the Weston terminal, run this command: Waydroid show full UI. Android should now boot successfully. And that's it. Waydroid is now fully installed and running on your Linux machine. You can now install Android apps, test mobile apps, and enjoy Android directly on your desktop. If this video helped you, support the channel by liking, subscribing, and sharing this tutorial with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next Linux tutorial.